Someone wanted to see me roll socks in a video. So, I guess that's what we get to do today. Brought some crew socks. Those are for me. Some no-show socks. And I brought Gorilla Tape already, and velcro already, which is slightly optional, and stickers, because I like decorating. So we'll get to the stickers later, the velcro later. And we'll start with the crew socks, because that makes sense to me. So, very simple and very effective way to roll socks such that they stay together. This is a minute long. I'm rambling about socks. What am I doing? Anywho, roll it inwards so it looks like a donut. It means that they are very small, very dense, so if you whip them at someone, they are very likely to feel the hit, and they take up less space in whatever you use to hold socks, like a dump pouch or whatever. And that is going to be one of our basic building blocks. And there are some other methods that we'll go into. Another one is if you just kind of, so if you know how to Ranger roll a t-shirt, where you fold part of it inside out and then roll your sock up as tight as possible, and then use the inside out stuff to close it around the other stuff. It gets you a more cylindrical thing. And the reason I'm bringing the no-shows in is because that sort of changes the size, although these are a relatively thin material, which means that the size is still going to be relatively small. But I guess those are two basic building blocks. Now, if you want tape, which tape is usually beneficial because it makes it even denser and adds more mass overall. We have all these socks too that we can demonstrate. Here's the one I want. Here we go. That one, and this one. And the rest of these are trade secrets. But anywho, so 2 donuts. Ooh, slightly different methods of rolling, but it boils down to take your donut and then stick tape onto it, and then you roll the tape over. And now you have like a throwing knife thing, which also works. It's a bit different. It's a bit more spatially efficient because it lies flatter to you. And then the next one is what I've affectionately called the dagger sock, because it stores as like a handle, but you do the roll a lot closer down to one side. And that way, if the school that you're playing at says that more than half of the sock needs to be exposed, guess what? You've probably done that. Alright, so now that you've got your sock rolled however you want, what I like to do is add decorations. Socks and decorations. Spider-Man is a very red superhero, and I appreciate that. So we're gonna put stickers on him, on all my socks. Oh boy. You can also do this with like strips of colored duct tape. That's usually easier. I just really wanted stickers. Because now we have a Spider-Man sock, and that's pretty cool. And then the next step after this, and then just put a patch however much you think you need. I don't know if this is gonna come up. Close enough. You can tell it's velcro. And that way it'll sit nice and close. Another method I have of storing socks, just random van brace with Velcro on it, so I can stick socks to it. There you go. So here's another sock you can do. There you go. I guess that's it. See what works for you. There's no wrong way, except by using packing tape. Don't use packing tape for your socks.